When the design is achieved, a portfolio of standard tests is ready to be performed. The user just needs to define its inputs and to run the selected tests. To offer the best analysis accuracy in a competitive computation time, the calculations are based on complementary methods: analytical, finite elements, and optimization. Results, such as general performance data, curves, and maps, are automatically provided. Once the design and tests have been performed, FluxMotor can edit and export a report describing the machine design and test results.
Thin Smart